Just a quick couple-minute video on my Thinkware u1000 2-channel dash cam setup. Not too bad. This is on a 6th Gen 2021 Camaro ZL1. I'm running it with the iVOLT battery pack and the optional radar setup. So if you look up here, everything's tucked pretty good. We got the main unit right here. The radar I have actually on the base of, I guess, the PDR setup. And the second channel wiring and the wiring to the battery, all I have tucked in the headliner here. And then I pretty much run it down through the pillar. We're gonna go down, and this piece right here pops out pretty easily. And then I've pushed the wire through here to reach the battery pack here. Battery pack I think is good for like 7 or 10 days without having to start the car, with the optional radar system, which keeps it in like a low power mode. And I have a wire that goes up into the engine bay right here. I have it tucked so it feeds through this little foam pad piece right here. You can kind of see it. And I'll switch over to the engine bay here in a minute to show how it runs, but it's out of the way, it doesn't get pinched. And then I have the second channel wire run up through the headliner, tucked in here, and then it runs all the way around, and you can see it back there. Everything's tucked, no wires are protruding or anything like that, so it's pretty clean setup. And then, like I said, if you follow the wire that goes to the fuse box in the engine bay, that's what powers the battery pack, and the battery pack is what powers the dash cam. Can't really see it too good, but the wires actually come out over here through this foam piece, and I kind of feed it underneath here, clean it out of the way. And you can kind of see it right here. Here's the wire, and it goes down through here. I have it hooked here to the ground for the ground piece, and then it goes up underneath the fuse box, and I notched the lid, and I did a fuse tap right here. So that's it, pretty simple. And I figured I'd just give a quick overview. Anybody else who has maybe some questions, I know Lethal Garage has a really good breakdown, but doesn't really show a few of the things on how he has some of the stuff ran inside the car. So I kind of figured a couple quick pointers may make it a little bit more obvious. And of course this just snaps on, and I feed it out here. I actually run the wire up over here, but I might tuck it later. So there we go.